What I was detained with a different offense that was not indicated in the summons. Because the offense in the summons, Your Honor, was to give information or to record a statement on an offense undermining a public officer, under section 132, and incitement to violence. But they decided to charge me with an offense of assault. And assault, according to them, that happened even before I took plea on this case, in this particular case I'm facing. An assault that happened in, as per the allegations, May 2019. Yes. So I was detained, despite the offense being bailable, assault. I was denied police bail and locked at Mutailo police station. I was arriving in court yesterday. They denied the charges. The prosecution objected to my release on bail. So the ruling is tomorrow, Your Honor.
So you are detained till tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which court?
Kiambu.
Just compose yourself. It's good to compose yourself so that you don't forget anything. So, way forward.
Way forward, Your Honor. I need at least a week or two to consult with Dr. Hamino, and then we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. Maybe Mr. Yama. We have not had enough time, Your Honor, to consult. So I need more time, Your Honor. Based on my current position, I've been in custody.
Don't cry, don't cry.
I can't cry, Your Honor. I'm always emotional, Your Honor.
Compose yourself. I need more time.
Yeah, I'm praying for more time so that I can consult with Dr. Hamino and other lawyers so that we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. I'm not crying, Your Honor. It's very painful, Your Honor.
You're shedding tears, so let's do that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That is all. I think that is all. That's good.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's hear the response. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, with the permission from my landlord, Senior, we would suggest that 14 days would suffice. If you could measure the matter, if the matter could be measured in 14 days, so that you may have time, even as he gets directions tomorrow on how the bail application will go, to ascertain as to whether in 14 days you'll have had time to sit down, settle on lawyers representing.
Yeah?
Settle on the lawyers that are going to be presenting.
What have you said in 14 days?
In 14 days, probably we could measure the matter in 14 days. If the matter could be measured in 14 days from today, hoping that in that time, he'll have been able to settle down on the lawyers that are going to be presenting, and also give them time to even read through the proceedings. I'm meant to understand that already 10 witnesses have testified. For them to get to know what they're getting into.